Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Spike 1984 token. Ticker symbol is Spike. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Spike token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, normally, their Twitter is Spike is on ETH_2. So that tells you right away that this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. But it says their account has been suspended, and that happens a lot of times when, you know, pages are trying to advertise a lot and it registers as spam and then their account gets suspended. Happens all the time in crypto. But yeah, basically this token here is, it's getting a brand new central exchange listing starting, let's see here, it doesn't have an actual date yet. At Bitmart Exchange on Twitter just tweeted out, upcoming new listing, Bitmart will list Spike soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So, if you follow that Twitter, at Bitmart Exchange, they will tell you within the next few days when exactly the central exchange listing will be. And then when it does get listed, you'll be able to download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Spike when it gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if you're looking for the chart or the price of this token, you can find them on Etherscan. You can find them on CoinMarketCap. They're listed on DEX Tools. It also says here they're on Bubble Maps, and they also have here it doesn't have their Twitter listed. I wonder what happened to the Twitter. But this token's doing pretty well. They have a market cap of $1.64 million, according to DEX Tools. And they have here $274,460 worth of liquidity in Uniswap. So if you want to get this token prior to getting it, prior to the Bitmart listing, you want to get it before it gets listed on Bitmart. Maybe Bitmart is not available in your country, or maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange. You can get this token off of Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or COINBASE wallet, whatever wallet you use. Fund that wallet with ETH. Then you would go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your ETH for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage. Now we're going to get to their webpage in a second here. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. And a great place to see if there is taxes is to check on DEX Screener or DEX Tools. They do have quick audits on there as well, so we could verify to see if there's any security warnings or issues with this token, before you think about getting it. And it's actually down 31% today, it says on DEX Screener. Let's see what it says on DEX Tools. DEX Tools, it is saying, you know, in general, this token is up 24,914%. But it's down today, according to DEX Tools. They have 459 holders so far. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $633,110. Total market cap, $1.64 million. Total token supply, 420,690,000,000 tokens, and that's also their circulating supply. Now, their Telegram here, you can follow that. It's at Spike_Matt Furie, and they only have 130 subscribers so far. You can preview the channel before joining. And their webpage is listed here, so that is at spike1984.com. Real easy to find that. So this is a Matt Furie character, as you can tell by the title of the Telegram there. On their webpage, they have tokenomics, a buy now button that'll take you to Uniswap, DEX Tools chart. It says Spike 1984 is Matt Furie's original artwork from 1984, making it the OG original gangster of his creations, including the famous Pepe the Frog. It's described as the meme of memes, a laid-back, food-loving dinosaur meme coin launched on Ethereum. And they have an email for support at spike1984.com. They have a link to Uniswap on their page, Etherscan, Twitter, Telegram, DEX Tools. It says Spike's uniqueness and historical significance make it a valuable asset in the crypto community. Spike is Matt Furie's first ever drawing, making it a significant part of artistic history. According to this analysis, Spike is the future, and it's just a chart on his spikes, which is kind of funny. You can find that on the webpage. So it says LP burnt. We can actually verify that in a second here. It has the contract address on their page. They have an embedded chart. Oh, it looks like their contract is, it says, total liquidity in Uniswap, 80.76% is locked and burnt. So that's great to see. Now this pair was actually just created on Uniswap 1 day, 7 hours ago. So this is a very brand new token. They have a 90 out of 100 token sniffer score, so be aware of that. It's not perfect. They have a great quick intel security audit. There's no warnings on there. But for some reason, there's a conflict, and GoPlus Security says there's whitelisting, blacklisting, hidden owner, renounced. Ownership is not renounced and tax modifiable, but then if you look at quick intel security, it says the opposite of all that. So that's strange how that happens with audits, but just be aware that there is some warnings on there. You can find them on their DEX Tools chart. But yeah, that's basically about it. This is just a Matt Furie meme token getting a brand new Bitmart listing. It's available on Uniswap now if you want to go check it out. Not a lot of holders yet. And stay tuned for the Bitmart listing. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.